$414 profit is what we've made so far this morning, and from $2,000 investment into this account, we are presently at $124,000 of equity within 17 months of trading into this account. And if you had started with us 17 months ago with $100 equity, presently you should be at $6,200 of equity. Let's continue to scroll down as you see the various trades that our very powerful forex scalping robot have been able to open so far this morning. I think this is the third loss we've incurred so far this morning. This is the fifth. We've had a total of about 8 losses, and the maximum amount of loss we've had so far this morning is minus $10, as you can see. And let's continue to scroll down and check on the various losses we've incurred so far this morning. We've had a maximum of 8 losses out of 182 trades opened by our very powerful forex scalping robot so far this morning. Amazing result. And so far we are only at 10 a.m. this morning. Before the end of the day, we are going to make far more profit than this. The name of this robot is Pro Master EA. This is simply one of the best scalping robot you may find out of the market. And so far the robot have not yet opened another trade. The robot is waiting for all conditions to be met in order to open another trade. Our robot does not just open trade randomly. Every entry is well calculated, and most often our trade do not last for long into the market because we have a very tight stop loss and a very tight take profit. That is why within the day our robot is going to open several trades. For example, this trade has minus $10, and this one also is plus $10 because our stop loss and our take profit are the same, but at times the spread is wide into the market. That is why you see a difference in terms of values. You see a minus $10 and a plus $10 because we use the same stop loss and the same take profit. And within the day our robot will open many trades because we do use we do use very tight stop loss and very tight take profit, and most often our trade will last between 1 to 10 minutes into the market, and still no open trade by our robot. And when you want to use this robot, make sure you use a robot that has a very tight spread because our trade do not last for long. So you need a good broker that has very tight spread. You must not create a new account. If you already have a good broker, you can simply use your current broker. So far we have used this robot to pass the challenge on 4 different prop firms, and you can also use this robot as a source of passive income. You just you get a 10,000 funded account, for example, let's say with my forex fund or FTMO, and at the month end, after profit split, you can be making like $700 to $1,000 without doing anything. This can be a source of passive income to you. And now, if you should evaluate this robot, imagine a robot that opens trade with a stop loss and a take profit. Out of 182 trades, we've had just about 8 losses with a maximum loss of only $10. How can you, if you are asked to rate this robot, how many in a scale of 1 to 20 will you give to this robot? And this is simply one of the best ways for you to start making money, and we have an offer for you guys. Instead of $970, you can get a copy at only $149 and start making money too. When we officially launch this robot a few weeks from now, it is going to be $970, and by then it is going to be difficult for many of you to purchase it. So make sure you get a copy now and start making money too. Bye for now. See you in our other videos. Ciao.